If you've been eagerly waiting for a spectacular smartphone from Nokia, your search is about to end. Because Nokia is all set to make a grand comeback in the mobile market. Yes, friends, today we're going to talk about the Nokia 7610 Ultra 5G, which is going to be the most affordable 5G smartphone in the entire world. But just because it's affordable doesn't mean it's lacking in features. This phone is going to blow your mind with its powerful specs and stunning performance. So, in today's video, let's dive deep into the fully leaked features, price, and launch date. Let's get started. Features of the Nokia 7610 Ultra 5G. Display. This phone comes with a 5.5-inch HD Plus LCD display, and a 90 Hz refresh rate, which means double the fun while scrolling and gaming. But wait, there's more. Nokia is also bringing back its classic keypad system in this phone. This is great news for those who want the convenience of a touchscreen along with the tactile feel of a physical keypad. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera. This phone features a triple camera setup, with a primary 108-megapixel sensor. Your photography game is about to level up. Alongside this, there's an 8-megapixel, and a 5-megapixel camera. And for all the selfie lovers, there's a 32-megapixel front camera to make your selfies shine. Performance. When it comes to performance, this phone is expected to run on Android 14, and might be powered by the Snapdragon 4 Gen 1 processor, ensuring smooth gaming and multitasking. Battery backup. As for battery life, the Nokia 7610 Ultra 5G could pack a massive 4000 mAh battery, giving you long-lasting usage. Plus, it supports Type-C charging, so you're all set for fast and convenient charging. Price and launch date. Now, let's talk about the price. Friends, the Nokia 7610 Ultra 5G is expected to be priced around only $70. Yes, you heard that right, this phone is going to make 5G technology affordable for everyone. As for the launch date, there's no official information yet, but it's expected to hit the market by early 2026.